Buying a home in Fort Lauderdale, it sounds like a dream, right? Sunshine, beaches, the opportunity to build wealth through real estate, but is homeownership really all it's cracked up to be? Today I'm breaking down the real pros and cons of owning a home right here in Fort Lauderdale with no fluff and no sugarcoating. To kick off some of the pros of owning a home here in Fort Lauderdale, we have the fact that you're building wealth and equity rather than just giving somebody rent. When you own a home, you're not just throwing away money on rent, you're building equity. And in Fort Lauderdale's growing market, home values have been trending up, meaning a smart purchase now could turn into a solid long-term investment. The second pro for owning in Fort Lauderdale is just more stability, more freedom to do what you want. Unlike renting where landlords can raise your rent or decide to sell, owning a home gives you control. No surprise rent hikes, no restrictions on what you can and can't do. Want to paint the walls, remodel the kitchen? Go for it. It's your place. Plus, Florida's homestead exemption can lower your property taxes or lock in what you have as far as property taxes, which is a nice financial bonus. Another benefit is the short-term rental possibilities. Fort Lauderdale is a tourist hotspot, and if you own in the right location, short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO can bring in serious income. Some homeowners even use it to help cover their mortgage. Just make sure that you understand the local rental regulations before diving into this. Another very obvious pro of owning a home in Fort Lauderdale is just the lifestyle that you get to live here. To be real, living here is an experience. It's amazing. You've got access to the beach, boating, restaurants, and year-round outdoor lifestyle. Whether you're into paddleboarding, biking, or just enjoying waterfront views, Fort Lauderdale offers a quality of life that's hard to beat. Now let's get into some of the cons of owning a home here in Fort Lauderdale. The first one is high home prices and high property tax. The reality is, Fort Lauderdale isn't the cheapest place to buy. Home prices have been climbing, and in many areas, affording a place you actually love requires a very strong income. Property taxes in Broward County can also add up, so it's important to budget for more than just your mortgage payment. The next one is insurance cost and potential hurricanes. Home insurance in Florida is way more expensive than in any other state, and it's only getting pricier. Hurricanes, flooding, and storm damage all play a role. And if your home is in a flood zone, you'll need separate flood insurance, which can add up to, a few more $1,000s to your annual expenses. Another con, or just at least something to think about when owning a home in general, is that all of the maintenance and things required to keep up the house are on your shoulders. When you own a home, there's no landlord to call you when something breaks. AC issues, roof leaks, plumbing problems, it's all on you. And in South Florida, the heat, humidity, and salty air can speed up wear and tear, so budgeting for repairs and maintenance is a must. And the last thing, we are in a competitive market here in Fort Lauderdale, which can be tough. Homes move fast. If you're buying, you might have to act quickly, put in strong offers, and sometimes even pay a little bit over asking price to secure a home. That can make this entire process super stressful, especially for first-time homebuyers. Homeownership has some huge benefits. The lifestyle that you can live here in Fort Lauderdale is amazing, but it's not for everyone. If you have any questions or if I can help you with your home buying process, all of my contact details are in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one.